Hi there, it's Heather here at Creative Faith Art Studio, and today I'm going to share with you a journal that I just received in the mail from Melanie, who is I follow on Instagram, and she also has an Etsy shop. She's in Germany, and I'm so excited to have been able to purchase one of her journals. And let me just start off by saying that being able to connect with people around the world is just one of the something that makes me so happy, and I'm so excited to do that. I've gotten some things from people in India and Great Britain, and now Germany. I think I got something from someone else in Germany also. It's just such a nice community, the journaling community, and to meet other creatives from around the world is so exciting for me. So this is the box that it came in. I actually started this video already and opened the box and everything, but my camera wasn't recording, unfortunately. I didn't quite hit the button. So, but it's, it's so nice. Look at how, just a little extra detail, a tape on the side, and, just to make it not such a white package, and the placement of stamps and the extra scraps of paper. It's so fun. Creative people are so much fun. So this was a little extra thing that was, added with the ribbon and some tape that she's made, and just a little stitching and some, little extra tags and things. Nice little thank you note, on this little pad. So sweet. So sweet. And that made my day. See? Anyway, and then here I open the box and I pull out the journal, and it was in the box this way. So I was like, oh my gosh, look how beautiful it is. She's got the texture, embossing on there, and she's put the gilding wax on there. It's all painted. And then I was just like, oh, isn't this pretty? And then here, that's just the back. Oh, can you believe it? So here's the charm the little tassel she's put on it, and even with some room I can add my own things, and then it's all botanical. So this is exciting because I have a really hard time finding botanical books in my area, and so here we go. I'm just gonna flip through it really quickly. A little pocket on the front. It's really well made. It's an altered book, but really, it's very sturdy. But I love it. So far, I have not looked in it yet. This is as far as I got before I realized my camera wasn't recording. So there's some little tags. Just the little details that are put into, just things that other people think of. It's exciting. So some more little things inside. Just really pretty. I love this. Looks like everything looks like it's tea dyed. I don't know if you can see that, but the paper, it kind of has that sound, and then just a little extra color added. And I love that it's not in English, because of course I'm in the United States, so everything is English, it seems. So that's fun. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel or not. I will look and see. But if she does, I'll link it. I'll definitely link to her Instagram page and her Etsy store, though. Like, you can tell this is really fine paper. So she's reinforced it with washi tape, which is a nice little touch. And I know a lot of people do. Yay! A lot of people do a lot of embellishing in their journals when they make them, and I like that she has kept things really simple. Oh, look at that! Because that's the way I do it also, because you never know how people... Isn't that sweet? You never know how people are going to use the journal, and so I think the ones that are really embellished are more like just their own little works of art. I would have a hard time adding to them. you know, and making them my own. It would just be something I'd put on the shelf and look through every once in a while and be like, wow. There's some scrapbook paper, and it's really heavy cardstock, actually. I love the mix of like the tea-dyed paper and the not tea-dyed paper, and just the texture and the vellum, and you know, it's really, oh, here's a little pocket page. That's fun. What a good idea. Oh, and there's a little tag to that one. Let's see what's in the pocket. Cute. It's just kind of like it's like a backing for packaging or something. That's a good idea too. Something I wouldn't think of doing. I love this. This is really pretty. So now I gotta think of what I'm gonna use it for. This one has a top pocket. Oh, look at that. Isn't that neat? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to send her a card or something because this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, I don't want to damage that getting it back in there. I'm just gonna take it out for now. Look. And there's more botanical prints, little cards. That's fun. I wonder where that is. It's there, but I can't read it. I'll look it up. I'll have to look it up. Those are pretty. Pretty. That looks like packaging from someplace. A little piece of a magazine ad or something. Lots of little pockets and things tucked in. There's one of those envelope pages. I love these. Look at all the stuff inside of it. Little scraps of paper. And again, what a great way to use up some scraps. And, you know, you could make a collage on a page if you wanted to, or, you know, there's a lot of stuff you could do with those. That's fun. Put some little pictures in there, tied from people. Or special journaling. Look at, oh, those are neat. That's really pretty, isn't it? Really pretty. It's a little photo pocket. I love that card. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This whole journal, I'm so excited. There's a doily. It's really thin. Mine, maybe that's because it's tea stained. I don't know. It's really feels wonderful. Soft. And another little envelope. Boy, she really has tucked a lot of stuff in this. Definitely, not that was crazy expensive or anything, but definitely worth the purchase. There's some handmade paper. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's all beautiful. I wonder if she makes that. I'll have to ask her. Really, this is just amazing. It's amazing. If you get a chance to look at her shop on her Instagram page, she really does nice work. Really, really nice. I think I'm not sure how old she is. I think she's fairly young. So that, again, that's like encouraging too, because you know, to have someone, a younger person, have some appreciation for vintage things, you know, I like that. And then here is something on the back. Let's open this, if I can grab it. Little flip out, and look at all that goodie, all those goodies. This is a little accordion pocket, and lots of little scraps in there too. Oh my goodness. Well, I am so... Oh, and it's even got a little tuck spot behind it. Oh no, it doesn't. That's actually... Oh no, it does. Look, and I wish I had some of those punches. I think those are so pretty. But that's it. Isn't it beautiful? Aren't you excited? Probably not as excited as I am, but I hope you enjoyed the little walkthrough. And really, if you have some time, go look at her pages, because she really does amazing work, and she seems like just a sweet person. So thank you so much. I'm so excited to have it. Thank you for taking the time to make it, and thank you for sending it to me. Isn't it beautiful? And I wish you could hold it. It's just, oh, I just love it. So thanks again so much, you guys, for watching. I appreciate it very much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.